Luke Rowley, 26, came up with the idea to enjoy the perfect lockdown pint from the telecoms engineer, sick of drinking from bottles and cans, decided to buy his own. He spent £104 on an 88-pint keg of Carlsberg, £50 on a gas canister and £156 on tubes and a fridge from a doctor's surgery with a digital thermometer, totaling £300. Luke even fitted a tap to the front of the fridge, which keeps his beer at 0.8C in his kit. He told The Sun, "I put it together over the space of 6 days. It's a fantastic pint. I worked in bars before and I've always been a dab hand at making things. And with beer costing on average £4 a pint, if pubs were open, he has saved himself more than £40 on just his first barrel in the pub." Luke, of Barry, Gtr Manchester, added, "My mates are all dying to come round. I've had some requests from my friends who would like some help building